KERDI-SHOWER prefabricated trays are ideal for constructing a shower base and designed to integrate with the Schluter Shower System. They are lightweight and easy to install. They can also be cut to size and extended with dry pack mortar if required. KERDI-SHOWER trays are available in an expanded range of sizes and configurations. Some of these sizes feature reduced thickness to help facilitate curbless shower applications. Many of our trays are also available with integrated waterproofing, making shower installation even easier. Let's take a look at the installation of one of our KERDI-SHOWER-TT thin trays. Cut a hole in the substrate for the Schluter KERDI-DRAIN and coupling to the waistline using the template provided. Do not use the opening in the shower tray as a guide. You must limit the diameter of the hole to 5 inches maximum to ensure proper support for the tile assembly. If there is access to the plumbing from below and the waistline can be connected to the KERDI-DRAIN after installation, you can install the tray prior to the drain. When there is no access to the plumbing from below, you will need to install and connect the KERDI-DRAIN to the waistline before installing the shower tray. Please refer to the No Access Plumbing demonstration with KERDI-DRAIN and KERDI-SHOWER Trays video. The substrate must be clean, even, load-bearing, and level. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to installing the tray. The KERDI-SHOWER-TT is installed using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. A 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the subfloor with the flat side of the trowel, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Place the shower tray and solidly embed in the mortar. If you are not immediately installing the KERDI-DRAIN, clean the mortar from the step in the shower tray and the area surrounding the hole in the subfloor. Otherwise, the dried mortar might interfere with your drain installation. A curbless application can be achieved by installing a plywood or OSB underlayment and Ditra Heat or Ditra XL membranes over the bathroom floor. Since we are raising the floor, the transition to the adjacent room must be checked. The transition will typically be manageable when the adjacent floor covering is relatively thick, such as a carpet with pad or 3/4 inch thick hardwood. The tray can also be installed in conjunction with our prefabricated shower curbs. The KERDI-Board SC shower curb is installed as per usual, using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Make sure the mortar is applied to all points of contact with the curb, including the subfloor, walls, and the edge of the shower tray for proper support. Embed the curb and make sure it is level. Next, we will install the KERDI-DRAIN. Fill the step in the shower tray and the area surrounding the hole in the subfloor completely with thin-set mortar. Press the KERDI-DRAIN firmly into the mortar for full support of the bonding flange. Clean excess mortar from the bonding flange to prepare for the KERDI collar installation. Use a Schluter KERDI trowel or a 1/4 by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel for the KERDI installation. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar over the bonding flange and within the recessed area of the shower tray surrounding the drain. Then, comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Center the included KERDI collar over the KERDI-DRAIN and embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Using the same technique, install the KERDI carrot corners and the KERDI band waterproofing strips to seal the shower tray to the walls and curb. Depending on project requirements and installer preferences, the order of installation may vary. 2-inch overlaps must be maintained at all seams. The system is designed to be flexible and meet the needs of the installer. The installation of the KERDI-SHOWER-TT thin tray, KERDI-DRAIN, and waterproofing are now complete. Schluter shower trays reduce installation time and make shower installation easier than ever.